Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the text logo to an image logo on your Shopify store. So, head over to shopify.com and log into your account. On the dashboard, click on Online Store. Click Edit Theme, and inside the editor, click on Header. You'll now see the option for logo position. Now, go to Theme Settings, then open Logo in Favicon. From here, you can upload your own logo. Click on Select. You can add a file from your computer, or choose an existing image that you have already uploaded. Once you've selected your logo, you can now adjust the size on the desktop version or the mobile version. For example, let's change this to 54 pixels. And if you want to see the mobile version, click on the mobile preview. Let's change the size here as well. 51 pixels. As you can see here, it has now updated the logo size. Now let's go back to the header settings. From here, you can change your logo position from left to center or to the right side panel. Once you're finished editing the logo position, go ahead and click Save. If you want to remove the logo image, go back to the theme settings, then click on Change, and click on Remove. Your store will now display the original text logo. Lastly, if you want to change the text logo, then you have to change your store name. Just go to Settings, go to General, and edit your store name. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.